In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived chats in ChatGPT. If you've tucked away old conversations to keep your sidebar tidy and now need one back, I'll walk you through the exact path to bring it into your active chat list again. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for ChatGPT. When the results appear, click the official link to the ChatGPT website. If you're ever unsure, look for the correct domain and consider bookmarking it so you can return quickly next time without confusion. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Use your usual login method, whether that's an email and password or a trusted single sign-on provider. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as well. After you're signed in, you should see your workspace with the chat sidebar. Next, open your account menu by clicking your profile picture or your account name. Depending on your screen size and layout, this might be at the bottom left of the sidebar or in the top right corner. If you don't see it immediately, make the window a bit wider or look for a small avatar icon. From the menu, click Settings. In the Settings window or panel that opens, find and select the Data Controls tab in the sidebar. This is where ChatGPT groups options related to your content, including archived items. Look for the row labeled Archived Chats and click the Manage button next to it. This opens a dedicated view of your archived conversations, letting you scan titles and dates so you can quickly spot the one you need. You'll now see a list of your archived chats. To restore any specific conversation to your active sidebar, click the Unarchive icon beside its title. It typically looks like a folder with an upward arrow. The moment you unarchive, that chat returns to your main chat list, ready to open and continue. Nothing in the conversation is changed by unarchiving. It's the same messages, just moved back to your active view. If your sidebar doesn't refresh instantly, click into the main page or briefly navigate back to your chats to see it appear. If you have many archives, use the titles and timestamps to guide you. If something's missing, double-check that you're signed into the correct account. And remember, you can always repeat these steps to bring back additional conversations later. That's it. Open ChatGPT, sign in, go to your profile menu, Settings, Data Controls, Manage under Archived Chats, and unarchive the conversation you want. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.